As I walk behind the grand Metropolitan Museum of Art in Central Park, I find myself stepping into a hidden sanctuary where time seems to slow down. The purplish magnolia blooms are in full splendor, swaying gently in the soft spring breeze. Their petals, delicate and fragrant, fill the air with a quiet grace that captivates everyone who passes by. The sun, slowly dipping below the horizon, casts a warm, golden hue over the landscape. Light filters through the branches, illuminating the blossoms like nature's stained glass. The sky shifts from soft blues to warm pinks and deep oranges, creating a painterly backdrop that feels like a living work of art. As I approach the obelisk, also known as Cleopatra's, its ancient stone presence stands in stark, yet harmonious contrast to the fragile beauty of the magnolias. It feels as though past and present meet here, where history and nature coexist in peaceful harmony. Around me, people pause in awe. Some are taking photos, carefully framing every angle to capture this fleeting beauty. Others are simply standing still, letting the moment sink in, their expressions reflecting wonder and gratitude. There's a quiet reverence in the air, as if everyone collectively understands. They're witnessing something rare and sacred. A group of runners stops nearby. They drop their pace to stretch and breathe deeply, their sweat mixing with laughter and admiration for the scene before them. Some take a break from their calisthenics, just to gaze at the petals, fluttering down like confetti. Even in motion, they too are stilled by the beauty around them. Petals carpet the ground in shades of soft violet and cream. It's as if nature herself had crafted an intricate mosaic at our feet, an ephemeral masterpiece made for just this hour. The magnolia trees, grand and full, form an enchanted corridor leading up to the obelisk. Each step I take feels sacred, like walking through a poem written in color and scent. As the evening deepens and darkness settles in, the lights of the city begin to twinkle through the trees. The contrast of urban sparkle and natural stillness adds to the magic. It's the kind of beauty that doesn't shout, it whispers, and those who listen are rewarded. This walk, framed by magnolias and bathed in golden twilight, ends not with a destination, but with a feeling of connection, of presence, of peace.